Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another session of healthy snacks from the Boys and Girls Club of Gallup. I am Ms. Hutchinson, and I am going to show you how to prepare a cucumber sandwich. So first we're going to start off with some cucumbers that are already sliced. So this is going to be our bread, but not bread, but cucumbers. We also have some honey turkey meats that we're going to use, and we also have some cheese. So we have 2 slices of the cucumber. We're going to put some meat on both halves. This, by the way, is honey turkey. It's really good. We're going to take some cheese, and this is mozzarella cheese. And we're going to put that between the meat. Cover it with the meat. Now, for those of you that like ranch dressing, we can put the ranch on just a little bit, and you can put the cucumber slice on. Take a toothpick, stick it in, and voila, there you have it. A beautiful, healthy cucumber sandwich. And you don't have to use the stove. And there you have it, you guys, a healthy cucumber sandwich. Please make sure that your parents slice the cucumbers for you, and look forward to seeing you back again. Oh. Bye-bye.